Hello, good morning everyone. We are now at Mount Pinatubo. We're walking now. Look at! See? Thank you, Lord, for this wonderful day. Give us a clearing. Oo nga, kuya eh. Hi, Chris! Kaway-kaway lang. Naka-video tayo now. Good morning. We are now at 7 o'clock na ba? Oh, 8 o'clock in the morning na daw po. Ito, kasalukuyan na po kami naglalakad. Look at the stone there! All white! Ang ganda! Hindi tayo bibigyan ni Lord. Sabi niya, dami po namin, no? Meron ba kami 100, kuya?